Did you know you can get a fully functional electric bike without spending a single grand? That's right. Today, we're diving into the 5 best electric bikes under $500, 0 cents, that prove you don't have to empty your wallet to enjoy smooth, zippy rides. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or hitting light trails, all the links are in the description so you can check prices and details while we go through them. Buckle up, because we're comparing performance, battery life, comfort, and value so you can see which one truly deserves the crown. Number 5. MICLON Cybertrack 100 electric bike. Kicking things off, the MICLON Cybertrack 100 is a solid entry to mid-tier choice for beginners and casual riders. With its 350W Bufang motor, 36 V10.4H removable battery, Shimano 21-speed gears, and front suspension, it handles city streets and moderate trails pretty well. Riders report up to 26 miles on pedal assist, hitting speeds around 17 amp in real-world conditions, which is respectable for the price. The quick charge battery is a standout feature, topping up in roughly 3 hours, which beats many competitors in this bracket. However, the suspension and components are basic, requiring occasional tightening and maintenance. Compared to rivals like the ANCHEER or EcoTric 350YW models, the Cybertrack wins on fast charging and motor brand reputation, though it slightly lags on suspension comfort. Overall, it's a practical, zippy and budget-friendly e-bike for urban commuting or casual trail rides. But don't expect premium durability. RIY works reduced. Number 4. Sailnovo 14 Folding Electric Bike. Next up, the Sailnovo 14 folding electric bike is perfect if compactness is your priority. Designed for urban riders or those with tight storage space, it sports a peak 500W, nominal 350W motor, a 36 V10.4H battery, dual suspension, and foldable handlebars. Real-world top speeds hover around 18-19 mph with a range of 20 to 80 miles under assisted condition. Its small 14 wheels make it ultra-portable but a bit twitchy over bumps, and heavier riders may feel the motor struggling on inclines. Compared to the Lectric XP Lite with larger wheels, the Sailnovo sacrifices some stability for compactness, yet it's a great choice for shorter trips, urban commutes, or occasional weekend rides. For anyone prioritizing portability over long-distance performance, it's a convenient and affordable solution. Just don't expect it to replace a full-size commuter e-bike. Number 3. Heybike electric bike for adults. The Heybike steps up the game with a 1200W peak motor and 480-week battery, striking a balance between performance and affordability. Its 27.5 tires, front suspension and 7-speed drivetrain make it more stable on uneven surfaces compared to smaller wheel competitors. Users love the strong motor for climbing hills and zippy acceleration, making it ideal for urban commutes with inclines or those who want a fun ride. While assembly and fine-tuning require a bit of mechanical know-how, the bike holds up well for its class. Compared to the MICLON or Sailnovo, the Heybike clearly leads in raw power and hill climbing ability, though premium components and long-term durability are not quite at the same level. If you want performance that feels a step above basic budget e-bikes, this one is hard to beat. Number 2. Jasion EB5 electric bike for adults. Coming in second, the Jasion EB5 is designed for daily commuters who want a reliable mix of speed, range, and affordability. With a peak 750W motor, 500 nominal, a 360 removable battery, 26 wheels and front suspension, it promises up to 40 miles and 20-30 miles. Though real-world conditions usually give closer to 20-30 miles. The motor provides quick takeoffs, but hills and heavier loads can reveal its limits. Compared to the Heybike, it's less powerful and less robust on inclines, but it's easier to handle for casual urban riders and beginners. Its removable battery and simple control interface make it convenient, though some assembly and maintenance are needed. If your priority is a straightforward, budget-friendly commuter e-bike, the EB5 is a solid choice. Just don't expect it to outperform more powerful models on hilly or challenging terrain. Number 1. ANCHEER electric bike for adults. Finally, taking the top spot, the ANCHEER 26 Sunshine e-bike strikes the best balance of power, versatility, and value. It features a 750-watt peak motor, 48V 374 removable battery, 21-speed gearing, front suspension, and multiple ride modes including pedal assist, throttle, and cruise. Riders report consistent top speeds around 20-22 mph and ranges of 30-45 miles depending on terrain and assist level. Compared to the MICLON, Sailnovo, Heybike, or EB5, the ANCHEER excels with slightly higher top speed, better power delivery, and a more recognized UL 2849 safety certification, offering peace of mind. Its aluminium frame is sturdy enough for city commuting and light trails, and the display/interface is intuitive. So there you have it, from the compact Sailnovo to the powerhouse Heybike. Each of these 5 budget e-bikes offers its own strengths, but the ANCHEER 26 Sunshine wins overall for its balance of speed, range, features, and real-world reliability. Which of these e-bikes would you take for a spin? Let me know in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget, all the links are in the description to check prices and details. Charge up, hop on, and ride smart.